You're definitely not the only one who is tired of having a substantial chunk of your hard-earned income vanish due to exorbitant taxes. It's no secret that many developed Western nations, such as the United States, Canada, Australia, as well as many European countries, levy massive income taxes on their high-earning citizens. There is a growing trend in recent years of people looking abroad for tax advantages, thankfully in large part due to the spread of information and the reduction of barriers. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the 7 countries with zero income tax in the world 2024. Number 7, Kuwait. Kuwait is like the tax oasis you've been dreaming of. Residents can happily wave goodbye to individual income tax. It's a tax-free fiesta for them. But, and there's always a but, foreign companies strutting their stuff in Kuwait might get a friendly tax tap on the shoulder. It's all about that foreign ownership vibe. Now picture this, a sleek 15% corporate income tax rate. It's the kind of flat rate that keeps things simple, like deciding what to wear on a lazy Sunday. If you're earning bucks from activities within Kuwait, congrats, you're in the Kuwaiti tax club. If a contract involves a mix of Kuwait and non-Kuwait action, the whole shebang gets reported for tax in Kuwait. Ingenino sneaky business slipping through the cracks here. Now, let's talk about Kuwait's economic mojo. It's got that petroleum power with a cool 80% of the government's cash flow coming from oil. And guess what? Kuwait loves its international workforce. Less than 1/5 of the working squad is made up of Kuwaiti nationals. In a nutshell, Kuwait is your tax-free haven, a land of no individual income tax for locals. Foreign companies, you might get a tax nudge, but nothing you can't handle. Number 6, Bahamas. The Bahamas is like the cool kid at the financial playground. It's got this reputation as a tax haven, and for good reason. Picture this: no corporate or personal income taxes, zilch capital gains tax, and a long-standing love affair with banking secrecy. If money had a paradise, this would be it. Now hold on to your wallet, because citizens and resident aliens in the Bahamas live in a tax-free utopia. Personal income, inheritance, gifts, capital gains, you name it, no taxes there. But before you pack your bags, know this: the Bahamian government isn't running on air. They've got their hands in the financial cookie jar with value-added tax, property taxes, stamp taxes, import duties, and license fees. A little something for everyone. With no income or corporate profit taxes, the Bahamas is like a siren song for foreign investors and businesses. It's a financial haven, and the Bahamas knows it. They're the VIP lounge for international banking activities, luring in financial big shots and wealthy folks like bees to honey. Most of the Bahamas' cash flow comes from high tariffs and import fees. The big challenge for the Bahamians is getting ready for trade liberalization. They're eyeing foreign investments in tourism and banking, and they're open to some light manufacturing action. So there you have it, the Bahamas, where the sun is shining, the sea is crystal clear, and the taxman is surprisingly chill. Number 5, Qatar. Qatar's tax scene is like a breath of fresh air for expats. It's like the Willy Wonka's chocolate factory of tax havens. Picture this: no personal income tax. Whether you're raking in cash locally or rolling in the dough from overseas, it's a tax-free fiesta. Doing business in Qatar is a breeze. They've got a tax framework so laid back. It's practically horizontal. They've bagged a rating for having one of the world's easiest tax systems. It's like they've turned taxes into a game of hopscotch. Qatar's economic superhero. The energy sector. It's like the Tony Stark of the country, pulling in billions in foreign investments. But wait, there's more. Free zones are expanding like a game of Monopoly, with perks like 100% foreign ownership and a 20-year tax holiday. It's like winning the tax jackpot. So, in the world of taxes, Qatar isn't just playing the game. It's rewriting the rules with a dash of charm and a sprinkle of tax-free magic. Number 4, Bahrain. Bahrain, a little slice of tax-free paradise in the Persian Gulf. Picture this: no personal income tax, no corporate income tax, no sales tax. It's like the land of taxation. Never heard of her, but hold your horses. Oil and gas businesses aren't entirely off the hook. They've got a 46% tax hurdle to jump in certain situations. It's like the one exception at the tax-free buffet. Now, why is Bahrain so generous with its tax policies? Well, they hit the jackpot with that black gold, oil. Thanks to their oil discovery, they're rolling in dough without resorting to income taxes. No wonder they're one of the heavyweights in the wealthy nations club. But it's not just about the money. Bahrain's got some serious real estate perks too. Nestled in the Persian Gulf, it's the go-to spot for expats and businesses wanting to flex their strategic muscles. Overall, Bahrain is the tax-free haven you've been dreaming of. No taxes on personal or corporate income, sales, capital gains, or estates. Number 3. Bermuda. Bermuda? Oh, you sly financial charmer. This little island paradise has a reputation for being a tax haven. And boy, does it know how to make taxes disappear like magic? First off, if you're a company chilling in Bermuda, you're in luck. No taxes on profits, income, dividends, or capital gains. It's like a perpetual vacation for your money. And get this, corporate income tax? Nope, not a thing. The government even hands out tax assurance certificates, like golden tickets, promising a tax-free fiesta until at least 2035. Talk about a sweet deal. But wait, there's more. Bermuda doesn't bother with value-added tax, sales tax, excise taxes, or transfer taxes. Instead, they hit you with a payroll tax, but hey, at least it's progressive, like a tax with a personality. And the real estate game. Stamp duty, not in Bermuda's playbook. Transferring property, deeds, or rental agreements is as tax-free as a beach breeze. To sum it up, Bermuda is basically the VIP section of the tax world. Whether you're a company trying to keep its profits on permanent vacation or an individual looking to dodge the taxman, Bermuda's got your back. Number 2. Monaco? Well, Monaco is like the cool kid at the tax party. It doesn't believe in personal income taxes, and corporate income taxes are a big no-no too. It's practically a tax haven, and who doesn't love a good tax break? Now, don't get too excited. If you're French and living the glam life in Monaco, you might still have to slip a little something into France's tax piggy bank. But hey, nobody's perfect. Picture this amount of business, and Monaco is giving you the ultimate high five by not snatching a chunk of your hard-earned profits. Unless, of course, you're raking in the dough from foreign deals or playing with patents and intellectual property. In that case, Monaco's got a small tax bill with your name on it. BUTA 3% small to be exact. Here's the sweet deal. Residents can live the dream without forking over a single coin for income, interest, or capital. No tax worries, just sunny days and yacht-filled harbors. Where taxes are more like suggestions, the crime rate is lower than your expectations, and the high life is just a hefty price tag away. Welcome to the playground of the rich and not so thrifty. Number 1. United Arab Emirates. So, the United Arab Emirates is like a tax paradise. No personal income tax hanging over your head. Federal or emirate level. Pretty sweet, right? But hold your dirhams. There's a new kid in town. A federal corporate tax, waving hello with a 9% rate for incomes over 375,000 UAE dirhams. Individuals? They're still sipping tax-free lemonade. No income tax for them. Now, about that VAT thing, the 5% tag on goods and services. Introduced in 2018, it's like a little extra seasoning on your financial sandwich. But hey, no personal income tax, remember? And the UAE is like a giant game of Monopoly with 46 free zones. Businesses in these zones, tax exempt. It's like they found the ultimate cheat code. No corporate taxes for them. Combine that with the no personal income tax deal, and you've got a business haven in the desert. So to wrap it, UAE where personal income tax fears to tread. Corporate tax plays a bit. VAT adds a pinch, and free zones give businesses a high five. It's a tax-friendly fiesta for both Joe, the entrepreneur, and Megacorp Limited. Cheers to tax breaks in the sand.